Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on XEM. This is a possible breakout. We can see here the bullish triangle, and the price is getting tight up here between this resistance line at the top of the triangle and the bottom of the triangle, and also the moving average is right below the price right now. And every time the price touches this moving average, it jumps up. Like, it gets a lot of rejection from the selling part, so people is buying it, people is not letting it go below moving averages. So if this triangle breaks out on the upside, it will usually go up all this length. So that's why I put here the profit area in the green. That would be almost 40% profits. That's huge. However, it's not for sure that's gonna break out. Maybe it won't. I'm like almost 50-50, to be honest. Maybe I'm like 60% it will break out, and 40% it won't. It might just continue to go sideways. I'm saying this because every time it touches this resistance here, there's a lot of rejection as well. So people sells, like, and it's tried a few times. Well, it tried here twice, it tried here, and here it's been trying several times, 1, 2, 3. It's like the price cannot get through this line, so it could very well not break out. But if you want to be very, very conservative, I would enter the trade only when it actually breaks out this triangle, when the price actually goes above these two spikes here. So this one, the highest one, it's 89.85 satoshis. So the safest way to play this, it would be wait until it actually breaks out. I'm already inside this trade because I started the trade yesterday when it touched moving average and it bounced up on the hourly chart. So I'm already in. So if it breaks out, it's good, and if not, I'll just take my little loss. Then in the other hand, if it actually breaks out but it doesn't do all this crazy movement, we could be looking at less profits but still make some profit. So if we use the Fibonacci extension tool on the last wave here, we can see that, by the way, these red lines are resistance lines from the past here. See, from this wave, they all of them are significant support and resistance lines. In this case, resistance right now. So they have been set here for quite a long time. So if you see the Fibonacci extension tool, 2 of the lines in the Fibonacci actually match exactly the resistance lines that come from the past. So it'd be likely, if it doesn't break out and goes all the way up, we could still make profit in one of these 2 lines, the 0.786 Fibonacci line or the number 1 Fibonacci line, which would be this first one here. The target profit would be 93.09 satoshis, and the other one above 97.65 satoshis. So it's some profit there. So right now the negative is that the RSI, it's showing overbought and starting to trend down, but maybe we just get a couple of small red candles here, and that would be enough to make the RSI go all the way down, like oversold, and then from there shoot up. I mean, that's another probability. The market in general, it's not so hot right now. After we had this Bitcoin crash, the whole market went down a little bit. I mean, nothing crazy, but there's not that much stuff really that it's worth getting into right now. I mean, there's some, for example, NEO, that's going crazy. NEO here, I don't hold any, but congratulations to all the ones that are holding NEO, because it's gone up crazy. It's probably due for a for a pullback, but in the other hand, it has good fundamentals right now, a lot going on. So who knows, maybe it will just correct a little bit, but stay somewhere up there when people can actually find a fair price. It might correct a little bit, but stay somewhere up there and consolidate from there. We will see. Or maybe just a pump and dump, one of those that buy the rumor, sell the news, and it will go down heavy. You never know. But in any case, I'm not holding, so of course I'm not going to buy it now after it pumped that much. And I don't think anyone should do that. Like, I mean, it's better to wait for it to retrace and then maybe try to catch the next wave or see how it's reacting after that. So, okay, I made a post on Steam yesterday. It's called, I will review any coin if it meets this specification, high profit probability. So if you want to go ahead and read that post, so the specifications are, it has to be in the one-day candles, it has to be traded against Bitcoin, it has to be traded on Bittrex, and then for high probability profit, it has to be uptrending, like it's shown here. It has to be already uptrending. It has to be above moving averages, the 20 and the 50-day moving averages. The price needs to be above them. And then the other side, not being overbought, not being all the way up here in the white area above the purple area. The number 6 specification, it's not that important. The RSI is not super important, but it's a plus. But for sure it needs to be uptrending and above moving averages. I will not be, if I see a coin that is below moving averages, I just close it off. I'm not interested. I'm not going to do that because there's more chance that it's going to stay below moving averages. And if it's below moving averages, it's downtrending. So I'm not going to go long in a downtrend. I don't care. I'm not going to try to catch bottoms. I'm not going to play the lottery here. I would do only things that are uptrending. And if there's nothing that's uptrending, which there's some, but if there was nothing, I would just hold Bitcoin or USDT until it resolves. Like I'm not in a hurry. So, but if you can find a coin with these specifications, please leave a comment on my estimated post, or you can leave a comment on this YouTube video as well. Or if you see this tomorrow or in 2 days or next week, whenever, you can leave a comment in my latest YouTube video of that day. And another thing I wanted to say, guys, is I never check my inbox on YouTube. I don't check my private messages. I went yesterday to the inbox just out of curiosity, and I saw a lot of messages from users. Sorry, guys, don't take it personal. I just don't check the inbox, so don't message me there. If you want to say something, maybe leave a comment, or if not, maybe later on in time, I will have an inbox for users to write to me privately, but right now I'm not going to be answering private messages. Sorry, guys. That was all for the quick video. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below, please, and I will see you soon. Bye.